This video is about preparation problems for molarity. The first problem says 0.41 moles KOH are dissolved in enough water to make 1.60 liters of solution. Determine all unknowns. All right, so I have some numbers here. I have 0.41 moles KOH, and that's going to be my moles. And then my liters are equal to 1.60. The thing I still don't know is molarity, capital M. I'm going to use this equation. M equals moles over liters. So I plug in my givens and my unknowns. I leave M as M equals 0.410 divided by 1.60 liters. 0.410 divided by 1.60. Punch that in your calculator, and you'll find that molarity is equal to 0.256 molar. The unit for molarity is capital M, molar. And so I can fill these numbers in here. And my units. So this is a straightforward molarity problem. You're given moles, liters, you need to find molarity. But sometimes you're going to be given grams. This problem says 9.60 grams of NaCl are dissolved in water. The molarity of the solution is 0.350 molar. Determine all unknowns. So we have 9.60 grams NaCl. That's more realistic about what you would measure in a lab because balance is measuring grams. We also know that 0.35 is the molarity. And there are two things we still don't know. We do know the mass. We know molarity, that one's capital M, but we don't know liters, and we don't know moles yet. Well, we can find moles and then use that to find liters, and we're going to convert grams to moles. So we're going to drag down grams NaCl, go to moles NaCl. To find the grams in a mole, you look on the periodic table. So you take Na, which is 22.99, plus Cl, 35.45, and you add those up, and you get 58.44 grams in 1 mole of sodium chloride. So then you can do top times top divide by bottom, and find that moles is equal to 0.164 moles of NaCl. So now we're going to use our equation. M equals moles over liters, and solve for liters. 0.35 equals 1.64 over L. When the variable is in the denominator, I like to multiply both sides by that variable, so times L. That gets the variable out of the denominator. Now we have L times 0.35 equals 0.164. Divide by both sides by 0.35. It cancels out on the left side. And you get that L is equal to 0.164 divided by 0.35. So L is equal to 0.469 liters. So now we know our grams, our moles, our liters, and our molarity. So when we put 9.60 grams into 0.469 liters, that made a solution with a molarity of 0.35 molar. So I'm just going to put these numbers in here. One thing to remember is that when talking about molarity problems, the liters is the liter of the entire solution. So after you put the stuff in and dissolve it, after you put the solute in and dissolve it, the liters is the liters of the whole solution, and moles is just moles of the solute.